Hey everyone, this is Eddie here. Just wanted to show you what a correctly installed installation of connected components workbench looks like. So this is a completed uh, project. It's been installed. So I'm just going to show you how this works. If we create a new project, we're going to go into controllers. We can really pick any one, but I'm going to go with the L50E 24QBB because that's what I have here at the college. I'm going to select it. I'm going to click Add to Project. And in here, I'm going to go over to the left in the project organizer where it says Global Variables, and I'm going to double click. And I'm just checking to make sure that when like the names are this IOEMDI00 and so on. These are the actual digital inputs and digital outputs that can be wired to in this controller. In some cases, I have seen students get all the way through the download process and installation process, and the variables will just say something weird like name 1, name 2, name 3. You can't do anything with them. And that usually means it's got corrupted somehow and you need to try again. So you just want to kind of open it up, verify that everything is working as advertised. And if it is, then you have successfully installed CCW and you're ready to start programming PLCs. So good luck, and I have all the faith in the world that you will get this done on your first try.